It's April in Southern California and it's raining today. So I waited in between the raindrops, got a call from my Google My Business page, and I got all this wonderful stuff. Just gonna keep stacking and filling this truck. I hate to touch it more than once, but hey, you know what? It's all right, man. I'm gonna fill up this truck with metal goodness, and maybe later today we'll get a chance to bring it in. Beautiful home. Beautiful things that I got this from in the neighboring community that doesn't have the type of bulky item pickup that the city of Los Angeles has. And again, the stuff you're seeing right here, I got a guy in my community that delivers, he's a DoorDash guy. So when he sees a stove, he messages me. He sees a smoker, I get a message. I got ADHD, I don't drive home the same way. I find another barbecue. A lot of it is just getting the stuff off of our streets where I live, so it's a little nicer. So it's starting to rain again. I just want to show you guys what I was doing and keep these Meta glasses from getting wet, and I'll meet up with you in just a second. You know, that gets me, like a lot of people, oh, it's raining, I can't work. Listen, you got to be safe. Don't fall. I get it. But a lot of it is like, put on a jacket. Like, what's the matter with you guys? Like, everything stops. You know, it's just sometimes people use the weather as just another built-in excuse for not doing things or attempting things. It's kind of sad, man, because you're gonna die. And if you got some hopes and dreams, things you want to see and do, sometimes your regular 9-to-5 isn't going to provide you enough opportunity to do some of the things you want to do. And so a little side hustle that you develop on your own can be really helpful. And that's another thing. If it starts to rain too much right now, I'm just going to post up in my garage until the rain slows down. And then we'll continue on after that. And I think I will. So we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, the rain subsided and back at it we go. Let's go, Grandpa. Is that a little giant ladder I see? Old school. Anyway, move this stuff into place. Piece of cake. Keep loading, Grandpa. Try this out. This is just, I think it just needs to be oiled up. It doesn't have the adjustable feet like the newer ones do, but definitely, what a lot of potential. Beautiful ladder. We'll set this thing to the side. My brother-in-law had one of these. It's just, they're phenomenal. It's, as they say, the little giant. It's 24 ladders in one. It's like for each foot of ladder that it could be, that's how they market it and say, hey, that's a ladder. So if you get, I don't know, 1 to 24 feet. But what is cool though, you kind of can adjust it to be closer to walls and stuff, which I find at my age, I don't want to fall off of anything. I don't think anyone wants to fall off of anything other anyway. But just that it's so stout and really, you can properly seat it on the ground before you get up in the air. You're definitely going to be safer. So, no, I don't get paid by them. I just used the ladder in another state with my brother-in-law. I was very impressed how I got it and got to use it. So, I'll check this one out. Definitely an older model. Pretty darn cool. Man, we got some good metal again here today. Might have a run. Now later today, I was blessed with one of my local trash haulers. To save a little room and weight, he set some of his metal to the side in his yard. And lately he's been having me come by and pick it up, which I'm like entirely grateful. And we'll go get that and we'll see how we're doing with all this other metal we got going today. So I'm gonna finish this load up. If I get any other interesting things, I'll show you guys. But we got a nice little half a truckload getting stacked up here. Catch you on the next. Thank you guys for watching. And again, I got this lead from Google My Business, and then after I got done, I sent them a link to leave me another review. Can't lose. I'm like up over 25-ish reviews, I think, on my site. If you're just Coach Tom Costa on Google, check it out.